The following information goes in the AP Bio comp book, and we're putting it in the back. So we've got our formula sheet, task verbs, lab equipment, how to use the microscope, your notes from the Flynn videos, your GHS symbols, other safety symbols. And so this is 4 pages. So 3 sheets, 4 pages. So you might want to go ahead and just do an extra page just in case your writing's a little bit bigger. Or you could even start from the back and work your way to the front, however you want to do that. These are all cell organelles, and the definitions, the descriptions of them are found in the AP Bio book, and so you're going to use the AP Bio book to find that information. A couple other terms that we need to make sure that we have in here: endosymbiont theory. Mitochondria and plastids were originally part of a prokaryotic cell that was engulfed by a host cell. The two cells then evolved into a single organism. Endomembrane system. A membrane system internally and externally connected. And so these would be the components that are a part of that system: plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear membrane, Golgi apparatus, vesicles, vacuoles, and lysosomes. All of those are components of the endomembrane system. Homeostasis, hopefully you've heard of that before, maintaining the balance of an organism's body systems. So maintaining the balance internally, even though external conditions change. This one might be new. Apoptosis, that's programmed cell destruction. And so this is actually a good thing. When your body recognizes a cell that has issues, well, we don't want a bad cell to reproduce and make more bad cells, so it goes through programmed cell destruction, and the cell just ends up being destroyed on purpose. Besides a situation where there might be a bad cell, apoptosis helps us make us who we are. So early on in our development, we actually have webbing in between our fingers and toes. Those are extra cells that we don't need. So apoptosis gets rid of all the extra cells in between our fingers and toes, and so it kind of destroys that webbing that we don't need. All right, so there are 3 pictures that go along with cell organelles in these terms. You can put them wherever you want. You can put them on their own page. You can do it however you like. I put them over here, and then I would suggest maybe labeling these structures so that you have a visual. Prokaryote, eukaryote, cell wall, chloroplast, cytoskeleton, endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That's why there's a little extra space there, so make sure you know the difference between the two. Flagellum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, mitochondria, peroxisome, plasma membrane, plasmodesmata, ribosomes, vacuole, vesicle, nucleus. The nucleus contains the genes and genetic information. It's enclosed by the nuclear envelope. And cytoplasm, aka also known as cytosol. So both of those words are indicating the same thing. It's basically a region inside of the cell between the nucleus and the cell membrane. It's the jelly-like substance in which the cell organelles are found. So prokaryotic, eukaryotic cell picture, you can put it here. You might feel that it goes better over here. You can put your stuff wherever you want to put it. Notice this is like one of the only times that I write on the back side of the sheet. Usually it's only on the right-hand side, but I wanted to keep all of these cell organelle notes together. So once you've labeled your pages, go back to the book, go through the book, give a short description of what each one of these organelles does, where it's at in the cell, something along those lines, so you have a general idea.